Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this special recipe which is pancakes with cottage cheese. They're really easy to make and super fun, and I hope you enjoy them. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need 400 grams of cottage cheese. Then add 60 grams of flour and mix it very well. Then add 60 grams of sugar and 5 grams of vanilla. Then the whites and the yolks from 2 eggs and add only the yolks. Mix it very well. Then with some flour on your hands, let's mold the pancakes. And now when it's ready, you can fry them. Add some frying oil to the pan first. When one side is golden, you can flip it and cook the other side. Then when it's all done, prepare a plate with a paper towel to take out the grease or the oil from the pancakes. And now where they are ready to go, plate them with some yogurt or some jam if you like to. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching!